I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing where water pools and measuring slope. You need 1 to 2% grade away from foundations so water runs off. Once located, call utility locators and mark lines. Do not dig blind. Then gather tools: shovel, rake, wheelbarrow, topsoil, and coarse gravel plus a tamper. Start by removing sod only in the low strip and loosen compacted soil. You want to create a shallow channel for regrading. This sets the base, so subsequent steps actually move water. Once the trench is open, you line it with landscape fabric to prevent silting, and then add a base layer of 3/4 gravel so water moves freely. This is why you excavated to a consistent slope. If flow is heavy, place a 4 perforated drain pipe wrapped in fabric centrally. It speeds removal. Make sure to compact gravel in thin lifts and check grade frequently with a level or string line. Accurate slope ensures water reaches the outlet without pooling mid-run. You finish by backfilling. Cover the gravel with landscape fabric, then porous topsoil or decorative stone and reseed or lay sod to stabilize. Once done, test with 5 to 10 gallons of water at the highest point and watch the flow. You want continuous movement to the outlet. If water ponds, make sure the slope is intact, the pipe is clear of debris, and the outlet isn't blocked. If needed, install a small catch basin at the low point or raise the outlet for better discharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.